Hey guys, this is my review of the iPhone 16 Pro in white titanium. It's been over a month and a half since I got this phone, and I have a few things to say about it. Let's go over the specs real quick. So I got this iPhone 16 Pro in white titanium in 256GB of storage, 8GB of RAM, and the new A18 Pro chip coupled with that 120Hz ProMotion display. The setup on this phone is one of my favorite, coming from the iPhone 13 Pro with that new 48MP main fusion camera, the new 48MP ultra wide camera, and the 12MP 5x telephoto camera. Oh, and not to forget, we have this new camera control button or camera shutter button that I use it for. Let's actually go over that. So this new groundbreaking button that comes with all the iPhone 6s isn't what I thought it was. I upgraded thinking it will really stand out for me as a content creator. Yes, I do use it from time to time, but nothing other than maybe opening the camera app, zooming in, and maybe recording and showing it to people who haven't seen it. It's cool and all, but not a necessity or groundbreaking for me personally, but I'd say it's kind of cool. A cool gimmick. So I do have a lot to say coming from the iPhone 13 Pro with 12MP and to the iPhone 16 Pro having 48MP. For me, was it worth it? I'll say yes. My 4K videos are more sharper and crisp. Even with ultra wide, it's beautiful as taking pictures with it just look good, especially in low lighting conditions. And taking pictures as well with good sunlight makes your pictures even stand out way more than they used to. And with this new 5x telephoto lens, which I love, the pictures that I took with it actually came out way better than when you're pressing the shutter button, especially with fast moving objects like this picture here and here. Oh wait, and night mode is better and brighter. Like, take a look at these pictures that I took. One is with night mode and the other is without. I could barely see myself outside, and for the phone to see this much quality without light is crazy to me. These are some pictures and videos I took with my iPhone 16 Pro in 4K 30. So this is the front-facing camera of the iPhone 16 Pro in 4K 30fps. It's a nice camera though. But yeah, it's kind of windy though. It's kind of windy. I don't know if you guys could hear me, but yeah, that's the camera. And let's talk about the battery life. So far, I've gotten the phone, I've put a few cycles on the battery. It lasts me the whole day, and the standby time is actually amazing. It can hardly kill the battery, which is such a plus for me because on my iPhone 13 Pro, it couldn't last me the whole day whatsoever. So I had to carry a charger around, which was just extra weight and a huge inconvenience. Let's talk about the build of this iPhone 16 Pro. It does come with this new brushed titanium. I come from the iPhone 13 Pro with stainless steel. I really do like this as it's prone to less scratches and fingerprints, and it looks classy as well. The back glass is frosted, which adds a little grip, and also to mention, the weight provides extra grip and firmness to it. But I really prefer the weight of the iPhone 16 as it's easier to hold in bed because it's lighter. But that is a subjective thing, saying that because I have held both phones in hand. Let's go over Apple Intelligence. Also to mention, we get Apple Intelligence, especially with the camera, and now you can ask ChatGPT questions of an image, and it's accurate to a degree. It's fun to have and use, and like a party trick you can pull on people. Playground is also here. I've showed my girlfriend and sister and they have mixed feelings on it, but I do like it. Siri sounds a little more realistic, it's not as robotic, and it's a little bit more human, which is welcome. This year's iPhone 16 Pro is a good upgrade coming from maybe the iPhone 13 Pro and below. My main need for the upgrade was for the camera, the processing speed, and the battery longevity. With all that being said, like the video, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.